This is a splice machine. I try with some different cable. Put here together, press the pedal, then come out. If not fasten, not fasten, close the machine. This screw a little open from down, you see, by this screw. A little, how to say, close, open. This one open, this one will be go up, down. After fix this screw, good fasten, also this not fasten. Then can be the okay. Adjust the stroke, force from this one. Now is this one okay? Or maybe they need more. But depends on the his wire thickness. Can adjust. This wide is 4 mm and the thickness 0.3. And this one just a little put. If want put the reel, this one open here, this one put here, by this one adjust, then push, close this one. From here, according this one come, here have a one, you see this one by hand, release from here, put, have a guide, go inside, push, then come to here. Then this one, no need any another adjust. If finish it, this one almost just a little, we can take out. If also want to take out, you see now come out. If you want to put push go down. If also the nut, you can press 1 time, 2 time. If you see here come out, this belt mean okay.